Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your product schema for rich results from Shopify apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your product schema for rich results from Shopify apps, start by assessing your current setup. Identify the Shopify app that generates your product schema. Access the app settings or configuration section. Check if the app provides an option to export or view existing schema data. Take note of the schema types generated by the app. Navigate to your Shopify admin panel. From the Shopify dashboard, go to the online store section. Click on Themes and then select Actions for your active theme. Choose Edit Code from the drop-down menu. Locate the template files related to product pages. These typically include product.liquid or similar files. Open the relevant template file in the code editor. Begin by inserting JSON LD markup for product schema. Refer to schema.org for the correct structure and properties. Include key attributes such as product name, description, price, and availability. If your app offers an export feature, use that data to populate your JSON LD markup. Ensure all required fields are filled to enhance search engine visibility. Validate your schema markup using the Google Rich Results Test tool. Make necessary adjustments based on the validation results. Once finalized, save your changes in the code editor. Publish your theme to make the updated schema live. Regularly review and update schema as your product offerings change. Monitor your site's performance in search results to evaluate the impact of your schema changes. Stay informed about updates from Shopify or the app, as schema requirements can evolve. By following these steps, you can effectively transfer and implement your product schema for rich results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.